TeaneckLocksmith.com play an important role in the community. A locksmith service provider with the largest number of technicians is proud to announce the recognition they received as the most trusted locksmith in Bergen County, New Jersey area. TeaneckLocksmith.com is providing customers with a professional, reliable and fast service. Emergency services, high security key cutting, new lock installation, lock rekeying and ignition switch repair and replacement are just some of the services that they offer. Call now on 201-808-6522 or visit us online at teanecklocksmith.com.